Holy fucking shit. Goddamn. Fucking French out. Yeah, French Gardens. Bitches. Holy fuck. This is crazy. Oh, hey, my car. It's my fucking car, man. It's currently stuck back here. Cause I can't get back there, you know. There's the road way the fuck back there. Follow the white brick road, boys and girls, boys and girls. That way, motherfuckers, that way. Snow-apocalypse, nigga! Anyways. I will be making some shelves for my kitchen. And I'm going to be using, this is 100-year-old wood here from the barn originally. Original barn pieces from 100 years ago. Some light, show you the fucking color of them. I'm going to touch them up, make them nice. About 100 years old, man. 100 years old. Piece of wood here, I'm going to make some shelves. Nice kitchen shelves, man. It's from the house, so house is just as old. Actually, I think it's 1853 the house was built and everything. I mean, back at the barn, boys. I got some progress going. Goddamn, boys and girls, you haven't been here in a while. I've been here all the time. The whole time I've been here, goddamn. All right, boys and girls, boys, this is the way down. Woo! A whole of destiny. The fuck's going on over here? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Guess y'all viewers haven't seen this shit in a while. Fritz Gardens, boys and girls. Fritz Gardens. And